Hi guys, today let us study about the third joining process, that is the welding process. Well, welding is a process in which two or more workpieces, usually metals, are joined permanently to form a single component. Well, the joining is carried out by heating the edges of the workpiece to a suitable temperature and then are fused together with or without the help of pressure. Here, a filler metal can be used to supply the material to fill the gap that exists between the two workpieces. However, the process can also be carried out without using a filler material. Well, welding finds a large number of industrial applications. Some of the primary applications are that they are used in shipbuilding, automobiles, and aircrafts. Also, they are used in the construction of buildings and bridges and are also used to make storage tanks. Apart from manufacturing, welding is also used in repair and maintenance work for broken parts of different components. Well, welding can be broadly classified into two types. They are the plastic and the fusion welding. Plastic welding. Here, the metal parts to be joined are heated to their plastic state and then are fused together by applying an external pressure. Well, the plastic state is the state in which the metal starts to melt. Hence, here no filler material is used as the applied pressure helps in covering the gap. Some examples for this type of welding are forge welding, friction welding, resistance welding, etc. Next, we have fusion welding. Well, in this type, the parts to be joined are heated above their melting temperature and then allowed to solidify by cooling. External pressure is not used in this type of welding. Hence, a filler metal may or may not be used. Some examples are arc welding, gas welding, laser welding, etc. Now, let us see some of the advantages of welding. Well, the strength of the joint obtained in welding is much stronger compared to other joining process. The metals with different chemical compositions can also be welded. The welding equipments are portable, i.e., can be carried around to any location. Hence, considering all this, the parts can be fabricated at a reasonable cost. Some of the disadvantages of welding are that the process will give out harmful radiations and fumes. The high heat involved in the process also can cause a change in the structure of the metal. Also, a skilled operator is required to produce a sound and good joint. Next, we move on to the edge preparation. Well, before the actual welding process, the workpieces are prepared in order to get a sound weld. First, the joint preparation. Well, this involves cutting the edges of the two workpieces to a suitable shape. This is done in order for the heat to be able to penetrate to the entire depth of the workpiece. Different types of joints are shown in the figure below. Next, cleaning of the joint. Well, the workpiece surfaces are cleaned from contaminants such as dirt, grease, oxides, etc. This cleaning is done either chemically by using acetone or any other solution, or mechanical means by using a wire brush, hand file, etc. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting ClassFly.in.